This is Sankara and the original organizer of Ekurhuleni. We are at 109. We are having by-elections. This is a highly contested ward that needs Umkhonto weSizwe to come in and take over and give the basic services to our people. We are saying Umkhonto weSizwe is here to govern. We are saying Umkhonto weSizwe is here for our people and address the issues, especially the crime, the lack of service delivery, and that's affecting our elderly people. So Umkhonto is the party that must govern this world. Umkhonto is the party that must service our people. We are saying the spirit of Ubuntu that emanates from Comrade Msholozi must live and rise in the black people of South Africa. Amandla Chila.
Nina itatu.
Flag.
We are deployed to Sazakele Primary School. That's why we are working. Abantu bayangena, kancane bayangena, but we are trying, we are organizing ourselves after having breakfast to make sure that we keep door to door. But we are so impressed with the output, Moba. Those who come, register kuphi. At the end, mababuyo register basitshela nge-membership. It means we are dealing with the matter of membership at the same time dealing with the issue to register, abanye re-register, and what is more important, young people who are left, who are first-time voters are also part. Thank you very much.
So Op Center, my comrades, Ozani, so shy door to door. Ozani, my commander, Gwaza Mkhonto.
Morning, my leader. What? Morning. Tell us to organize this on that.
What do you shoot in a command?
Morning.
Okay, right.
This is the service delivery that our people are facing. This is the kind of service delivery that our people are facing. So Uncle Estrada's not train. Mandla, Gwaza Mkhonto weSizwe Gwaza. Comrades, igama remember Junior Shilubane. Ngingaziwa kakhulu ngoCommander Flaka. Ngi-Secretary of Umkhonto weSizwe Youth in Gauteng Province. Sisasela i-109 namhlanje, second day of the registration. uNkulunkulu wasenza isibonise ebantwini ukuthi the service that our people are facing yiyo lento esiyibonayo. Makunethi imvula, these are the kind of situations that our people are facing in Ward 109. So for me, I'm saying that let's vote for a councillor that will change all this. Let's try to sonke siside kangaka, there is no drainage, even one drain. So our people are suffering, cars are breaking down. sidinga ukhansela womkhonto wesizwe, ukhansela ozoletha i-service delivery in Ward 109. We cannot be facing such situation njalo makunethi imvula. And you only see this kind of situation in the places where only black people are staying there. So we are saying enough is enough. What the councillor of Umkhonto Wesizwe to see change in Ward 109. As Umkhonto Wesizwe are saying this is rubbish and we don't want to see this kind of thing happening to our black people ever again. Vote for the best councillor, vote for Councillor Umkhonto Wesizwe with the community. Amanzi avalistrati, imvula nyanencane nje eceda ukunetha. It seems like there was a flood here. So imagine if uzihambela ngemoto yakho, you get to stuck here. How much do you have to spend ukuthi uyilungise? And that the ANC leadership is not thinking about that. The ANC councillors are not seeing that. So we are saying we should go to councillor ozoyenza ushintsho. Ukhansela ozoyenza ushintsho, ukhansela onendaba nomuntu omnyama. And that can be only one organization that can offer that. The organization of Umkhonto Wesizwe. This place is a problem, so many problems. On the other side, ama-drain awasebenzi. On the other side, ngathi Pakistan, only foreigners are owning businesses there. So we cannot be having that as black people of South Africa, as black people of Ward 109 in Ekurhuleni. In these by-elections that are coming up on the 9th and the 10th of December, we are saying vote Umkhonto Wesizwe for better administration, for better governance, and for better service delivery. There is nothing more that any party can offer than what Umkhonto Wesizwe is offering. We are offering change for our black people. We are advocating for the well-being of our black people. This is not on. This is wrong. This is completely not on. You will not see such things in white-dominated communities. So Ward 109, please open your eyes, open your ears, listen to us. We are pleading with you. Vote for the best councillor. Vote for Councillor Umkhonto Wesizwe in Ward 109. 18th December. Siyalithatha iWard 109 and we are going to bring change in Ward 109. We are not going to accept such things happening to our black people. We are going to stand up as young people and with the people of 109. The Umkhonto Wesizwe Party in South Africa and in Ward 109 in the Gauteng province. We are going to stand and say that enough is enough. We want a better councillor. We want a councillor who cares about
morning commanders, morning South Africans, morning people of Ward 109. Unfortunately, I'm one of those who are commanders. I'm still a commander, but I'm also a party leader of Gauteng. My name is Thabang Theophilus Mkani. Theophilus is my slavery name, but popular one, you will find it in Luke 1 verse 4. It's a man of peace. It's a believer of God. I'm here in my Ward 109 to make sure that we move as MK and we explain ourselves as Umkhonto Wesizwe on what is happening in this country, pipeline to our people, and the situation of how to change the situation. Because all those who are popular in politics, they were never popular in politics, they were committed. But okay, today there are those who are buying votes and so forth. You can see even famous people contesting politics in other areas coming into our area. It's fine, it's a contestation, but we must educate our people that we need change and what is change and how to start and who must control that change. We need accountability, we need councillors that will speak to our people, that will also educate our people on the processes and other things that are happening in government, and also be able to assist our people day in and day out. Not a councillor who will lock the doors, switch off phones and so forth. We need people who are accountable. We've got that. Sinabantu are capable to do it. There are many, because the Umkhonto people were never recruited. They came voluntarily to change the system. Because the problem that we have in this country is the system. It's not a problem that is just simple. And as Umkhonto Wesizwe are saying, the system is corrupted and the constitution of our country is not speaking to our people. There are so many things that are happening currently. laws are being imposed to our people. Sesiyezwa manje kuthiwa umuntu oyindoda kumele atshintshe athathe isibongo somfazi. Showing ukuthi country is being destroyed. People who are leading this country, they are more demonic. They don't even understand and respect that 90% of us in this country who are Christians and we've got our own belief, we've got our own ways. The issues of marriages are never addressed, but there are issues that are being funded around marriages. But there are proper marriages that are not settled enough in such an extent that you don't know where is our culture. Our culture is no longer respected. And our culture is not constitutionalized proper. We've got a problem in this country of changing this system. Failing to do so, will leave our kids with a country that does not have values, with a country that does not have culture, with a country that will separate itself from Africa, other Africans. So we need our country to be part of Africa. We need our country to live an African way. We need to respect our culture. We need to respect our citizens. We need to make sure that people, they've got a right to life. Not a right to life that will say you've got a freedom of speech, then after speech you'll see by yourself. We have noticed where people, they are no longer living freely. People, they cannot enjoy themselves. The only way of enjoying is liquor and other things in taverns and so people, they can't enjoy their homes because of the system and the situation that our people are put under. The educational system is corrupted. In fact, there is no department where we'll say there is holy or a department where we'll say they are doing correct. Every department is speaking a language that is not expected or is not addressing the real matters of our people. I'll just leave it there because politics is too big. There are so many things that we can articulate, but first thing first, let's reclaim our dignity as Africans.